Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create an inventory management and profit analysis dashboard in Google Sheets. As you are seeing my screen, I have created this beautiful dashboard. Here in this dashboard on the top we have given the start date and date. So you can select the range. Let's say I want to see the data from 1st Jan to 5th Jan or till 7th Jan. So whatever data you want to select, you can select here. Then here we are showing the total sales during this period and total purchase, the profit and the available inventory as of whatever is the end date, inventory in quantity. Then here we have the inventory in value. This is the profit percentage, and here we have the sales by different dates, and then we are showing the profit by products also. Alright, now I will show you the data which you have to input. So let's go to the first product master. Here we have the product master and we have the product ID, product name, purchase price, sale price and price per unit. So here you can create your product master. You can put some product ID for your product and your actual product name, what is the purchase price and what is the sale price, and the profit per unit you can calculate the sale price minus purchase price. Then the next sheet we have the purchase entries. Here you need to enter the date of purchase, then you can just input your product ID, and we have put the formulas to get the product name, purchase price from the product master. We have the quantity here and then we have the purchase value. Now let me show you the sales. So this is the sales sheet and you can just enter your new sale here. Just input the date of sale, the product ID, product name, sales price, quantity, sale value and profit will come automatically, and the sale value also will come automatically. You just need to enter the quantity. Okay, sale price will come from the product master. Now I will quickly show you how we can create this beautiful dashboard in Google Sheets. So let's start without delay. First I'm going to product master and I will use the same data. So let me copy this and go to the file and new spreadsheet. We have this new spreadsheet. Let's paste that product master here. Okay, and rename it as a product master. You can put your own product. Here we are using the formula sale price minus purchase price. Let me show you once again. This sale price minus purchase price, enter, and you can press Ctrl enter to fill automatically. Go to the view and you can just go to the show and uncheck the grid lines. Alright, now next sheet we will add the purchase entries. Okay, in the purchase entries we can take the date of purchase, then we can take here product ID, product name, and here we will take the purchase price, take the quantity here, how many quantity you have purchased, what is the total purchase invoice value or purchase value. Alright, now let's select this whole range and we can quickly format this, align this center, make the font size slightly smaller, go to the border, choose the border color, let's say this one, click on all borders. Okay, now select this range to fill the background color and let's select this color, font color, make it white and make it bold. Alright, now here we will enter the date. Okay, so we can select this range and right click, go to the drop down, select the criteria as is valid date. Now the benefit is you can simply double click and that calendar will appear and you can select any date. Let's say I'm selecting here 1st Jan, and let's say product ID I'm putting here P1. We have the product master, that P1 is the product ID. Now further we can put the VLOOKUP formula here, VLOOKUP with the product ID, go to the product master sheet, select the data from here till here and we can put comma 2 comma 0, just close the bracket, hit the enter. So we are getting the product name automatically. Similarly we can get the purchase price also from the product master. Let's move that here. We have the third column of the purchase price. Okay, so let's copy this formula and paste that formula here also. In place of 2 we can take 3. So that is our purchase price. You can enter the quantity manually. Let's say for this product we purchase 200 quantity. Okay, so the purchase value will be purchase price multiply quantity and just enter. So that is our purchase value. All right, now you can enter more data. Okay, so we have filled some more data here, so let's fill down the formula and this one also. Just use the same formatting here, select this and just click here. All right, now let's close this, go to the view, show and uncheck the grid lines. So purchase sheet is also ready. Now just click on this plus button to add a new sheet, and that will be our sales sheet. So here we will do the sales entry, and I'm putting here first date, which will be our sales date, then again the product ID, product name, and here we will give the sale price, not the purchase price, because this is for sale. Okay, and we will put here quantity, then we will put here sale value. In the last we will show the profit also here in the same sheet. Now quickly format this, select this whole range, align center, go to the border, choose some, let's say, green color border, reduce the font size, select this range to fill the background color. Let's fill this color, font white. All right, and we can select this range also and right click, go to the drop down, and again here we can take the is valid date. So if I double click, the calendar will be appeared. So let's say I am selecting again the 1st Jan, this one. Product ID I'm putting, let's say, P1. The product name should appear automatically. So what I can do, I can put the VLOOKUP formula again. So let's use the VLOOKUP, select product ID, go to the product master, select this whole range till the end, comma 2, comma 0. Just close the bracket, hit the enter. So we are getting the product name. To get the sale price, the sale price is on column D, then profit is on column E. So let's come here, copy this, paste that formula here. In place of 2 we can take 4 this time. Okay, that is sale price, and to get the profit we can paste that here and we can put here 5, that is profit per unit. Okay, now let's put the quantity. For example, I'm putting the quantity here 5. So my sale value will be price per unit multiply quantity, and the profit will be, this is the profit per unit, I will multiply it by quantity. All right, so this is my profit. Now we can align this center, we can fill some more information quickly. Okay, so we have filled some information. Now we can select these two formulas, double click to fill down, and similarly here also. Okay, we can apply the same formatting. So just select this, go to the format painter, click. All right, so this is also done. You can go to the view, show, uncheck the grid lines. We have purchase, sale and product master. Just click on this plus and we will rename this as a dashboard. Now we will quickly create the dashboard. Put this dashboard first, then the sales and purchase and product master. We will select this range till the column O, and we will select few more rows. Go to the fill color and we will fill some dark color, let's say this blue color, and go to the view, show, uncheck the grid lines from here. Now we will select this range till N and we will fill here white background, this one. Change the row height, make it slightly bigger. Okay, and we will select this white background range and we will use the merge cells. Increase the font size and we can put here inventory management and profit analysis dashboard. Just align this center and middle. Okay, now we will reduce the column width for the column A and the last column also. Here we will take the start date, and for the start date we will fill light blue color, let's say this one, and here we will fill the white, fill this one, and select these two, align them center and middle, and increase the row height for the row number 5. Make this bold. We will select this and go to the border. Take this blue color, dark blue, and click on all borders. Alright. Now we will select this and copy, paste here, then paste here, here. Okay, till here. Now for this column, column O, change the column width slightly. We will reduce the row height for the row number 1 and row number 3 also. Okay. Now we will reduce the column width for column C, E, G, I, K and M. Just reduce this till here. Alright. And we will increase the column width for column B, D, F, H, J, K, N. To select the multiple together, make sure you have pressed Ctrl key and using the mouse you can select. Now increase the column width slightly, let's say this, little more. Alright, so this is looking perfect now. Here we will take the end date. Then here we can take sales and this could be the purchase. And here we can show the profit, then inventory in quantity. Okay, and just copy. This will be inventory in amount. Alright, now we will put the relevant formula. First, let's select these two, right click, go to the drop down and select here is valid date. Alright, let's say I'm putting here 1st Jan and I'm putting here 7th Jan. Okay, we can quickly format these two, select these two, go to the format, number, and from here you can select the date format. Let's say I'm taking this one. Okay, make them bold. Now if I double click, the calendar will appear and I can select the date and here also. Alright, now to show the total sales amount during these dates, what we can do, we can put here sum ifs function. Go to the sum ifs, this one. First we will select the sum range. So we are taking the sales, we will go to the sales sheet and the sum range we want to get the sum of sales value. So select this cell, comma, then the criteria range 1, we can select the date column, comma, let's come to the dashboard and here we will select start date, but we will put here is greater than or equal to end start date, comma, again we come to the sales sheet and we select the same column, but this time we will put the criteria, put comma, is less than or equal to, put here and, come to the dashboard, select this end date. Okay, just close the bracket and hit the enter. So we are getting here sales value. We can quickly format, go to the number format and here we can select numbers. Okay, make this bold. Now we can copy this formula and we can use for the profit also. Let's paste that formula here, enter. In case of profit, we can take the column G in place of F. Okay, rest will remain same. So let's take here G to G. So this is our profit. Just click on sales and take the format painter, just click here. Alright, so profit is also ready. Similarly, we can put the formula for purchase. Let's use again the sum ifs function. Go to the purchase sheet and we will select the column F for the purchase, comma, select the date column, comma, we can put here greater than or equal to and B5, okay, which is start date, close the inverted comma and B5, which is the start date, and we can just copy this criteria and range and comma, put the same. This time we will take is less than or equal to D5, which is end date. Just close this, hit the enter. So we are getting here purchase value. Let's select this sales cell and then just click on format paint and click here. Now to get the inventory, whatever we have purchased till this end date minus whatever we have sold till this end date, that will be our inventory. So we can use here sum if function. This is not sum ifs, we are using only sum if because we need only one condition. So first is the range. So first I will go to the purchase, whatever we have purchased. Select the date range, comma, we will put here is less than or equal to, close the inverted comma, and we will put here end date D5, okay, comma, then we will put here sum range. So we want to get the sum of quantity this time. Just close the bracket and hit the enter. This is the purchase quantity. Now we can take the same sales quantity. So use here minus whatever we have sold. So we will use here again sum if and go to the sales and here select this column and we will take the same criteria. Just copy this, put comma and the criteria, comma, the quantity is on column E. Just close the bracket and hit the enter. So this is available quantity, okay. And now we want to get the available value. So we can use the same formula, paste here. Now the only thing is here we are taking quantity on column E. The value is on column F. So we can use here F to F. Similarly in the sales also F to F and just hit the enter. So this is our available inventory value. Select any cell like profit, click on pen format and just click here. And we can do the same thing here also. Alright. So this top section is done. Now we will create the charts. To create the charts, we need some support data. First, we will create a gauge meter for the profit. Okay, so let's say here I am putting profit. So the profit will be profit divided by this sales value and just hit the enter. Convert to the percentage. Now we will select these two cells. Go to the insert chart. Change the chart type and select here this chart which is gauge chart. Make it slightly smaller and we will change few things here. Go to the customize gauge. The minimum value is 0 is okay. The maximum we are putting here 1 means the 100%, okay. So now we can close this and we can place this here. Make it slightly smaller. Let's put the chart title also. So double click on the chart, go to the customize chart and axis title and put here profit percentage. Now we will show the trend of sales by the dates, but we have to show the data only for this date range. Okay, so what we can do, first we can get the data for date wise sales here. So let's say I am putting here date and here I am putting sales. Okay, so I will use the filter function. Filter, go to the sales sheet and we will select whole range till here, column A to G. Condition 1 will be the date. Select the date column, comma, date should be greater than or equal to B5, this cell start date. Okay, and the another condition we want to put the same condition, just copy and paste here, but that should be less than or equal to, in place of B5 let's take the D5 which is end date. Just close this and hit the enter. We are getting the whole data, but we need only date and we need the sales value. So let me come here in the sales sheet. We have the date on column number 1, then we have the sales value on column number 6. To take only those columns, we will use here choose calls function. Use here choose calls, this one. Then arrow will be this output of filter, comma. The column number we can put here 1, 6 and just close the bracket, hit the enter. So we are getting only date and sales. So now we can select this range, go to the insert a chart. Let's select here area chart in place of this line chart, this area. Click on this aggregate, okay, and then go to the customize chart style, take the smooth line. Double click on the chart title and we will take here sales by date. Just move this on the dashboard here in this below area. Okay, so let's adjust this chart here. Alright, so we have created the second chart also. Now one chart we will create product buys profit. Okay, so what we can do, we can just copy these headers and we can paste here, let's say, and I'm putting here product and this is profit. I will use the same formula, okay, and just paste that formula here. Now the only difference, in place of date and sales, we will take the product and profit. So let's go to the sales sheet. We have the product on column C and profit is on column G, means 3 and 7. So let's come to the dashboard. Here you can put 3, 7. We have product and profit. So let's select this range, go to the insert a chart, select the column chart in place of this area, this one, click on this aggregate and then go to the customize chart style and make it 3D. We can add the data labels also, go to the series and check the data labels. So data labels also are available. Double click on the chart title and just rename it as profit by product in place of profit versus product. Alright, so this is done. Let's move this to the dashboard. Just close this. So friends, our dashboard is ready. You can add more charts here using the same formulas, whatever you want. You can add the purchase related information also. So friends, that is how we can create this inventory management and profit analysis dashboard in Google Sheets. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.